Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable Ask Where to Save each file before downloading on your Google Chrome. So if you're a Google Chrome user and you want to ensure that you receive that pop-up first before you download any file so that you can have more control over files being automatically downloaded on your computer, this is how you do it. So inside your Chrome browser, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you will have downloads. You want to click on that. Now here, you will see the downloads options, right? You can change the location, the default location, but you also have this option that says, ask where to save each file before downloading. In case yours is not enabled like that, you want to simply toggle this on. And whenever you're going to download any file in the future, you'll receive a pop-up that asks you where you want to save each files, and you have more control to, let's say, decline the files from being downloaded or even to change where you want to save that file on your computer. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.